Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like cute cheerleader and dress and impress for free without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you guys how we can create this outfit. Okay, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you can color it like this. And then we're going to go to this area and I'm going to wear this skirt and I'm going to color it red for the first selection and color it white for the second selection and also the third selection. Okay, and now let's move to this shoes area. I'm going to wear this shoes and then I'm going to color it white for the first selection and for the next selection color it red. Okay, like this guys. And alright. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area, the socks area, and then I'm going to wear this sock. I'm going to make it high stripped socks and remove the feet, and for the sock I'm going to color it red. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room. I'm going to wear the coats item. Wait guys. Okay, let me go to the dressing room and wear this jacket. I'm going to color it white for the first selection and for the next selection color it red. Okay, like this. I'm going to color it red for the last selection. Okay, the next one we're going to go to the accessories. I'm going to choose this item. Okay, this one, the cheerleader icon, and then I'm going to wear ribbon. Okay, I'm going to go to this area and wear this ribbon and color it red. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like cheerleader and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.